This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku smartly. First, let's quickly review the fundamental rules. Your goal is to fill a 9x9 grid with digits from 1 to 9. The key is that each digit can only appear once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid. This simple concept forms the foundation for all advanced strategies, making it a fun and engaging puzzle for everyone. Let's dive into some basic strategies to get you started. A great first step is to scan rows and columns for numbers that are already present. Then, use a technique called cross-hatching. This involves looking at the intersection of rows and columns to deduce where a missing number must go within a 3x3 box. By systematically checking for single candidates, you can quickly fill in many initial cells. Now, let's explore some more advanced techniques to tackle tougher puzzles. Keep an eye out for naked singles, which are cells where only one digit can possibly fit. Even more powerful are hidden singles, where a specific number can only be placed in one particular cell within a row, column, or block. Spotting naked pairs can eliminate those two numbers as possibilities from other cells in the same unit, narrowing down your options. The best way to master Sudoku is through consistent practice. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing common number patterns and configurations. This pattern recognition will allow you to solve puzzles much faster and more efficiently. Begin with easier puzzles to build confidence, then gradually challenge yourself with medium and hard difficulties. Enjoy the process of becoming a Sudoku expert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.